Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to recharge AC in GMC Acadia Easy Guide. Gather safety gear, the correct refrigerant, and a gauge set before you begin. Start the engine and set the climate control to max cool and the fan to high. Locate the low-pressure service port, attach the gauge, and follow manufacturer charging steps carefully. Monitor pressures and listen for leaks, and never overcharge the system to avoid damage. Gather the right tools before you start to save time and avoid mistakes. A manifold gauge set, refrigerant with a self-sealing valve, and a vacuum pump are essential. Verify the exact refrigerant amount on the vehicle label and pre-chill the cabin if possible to get accurate readings. Work with the engine running and the A/C set to max cool while attaching gauges and following a steady, controlled charging process. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more practical tips and to see future car DIY videos. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated anywhere with the Owala water bottle. It fits cup holders and keeps water cold during a long repair session. I find it handy while I check pressures and wait for the system to settle. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Begin by confirming low side pressure with the engine idling and A/C on max to verify low charge. Connect the manifold gauge hoses to the low pressure port and a refrigerant can with a self-sealing valve. Add refrigerant in short bursts while monitoring gauge pressure and cabin temperature. Pause periodically to let the system equalize and check for cooling improvements. Do not overfill, and if pressures spike oddly, stop and inspect for leaks or blockages.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.